In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your story archive in Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open our Facebook app and then tap right here at our profile picture to head over to our Facebook profile page. Once it is done, tap right here at this three dots button. You will be taken to your profile settings where you can easily find Archive. Once we get into Archive, at the top left corner, we can easily find Story Archive. Once we get into it, it will show us all our stories for all the time, and they are sorted in chronological order from the latest to the oldest. And in the left corner of each story, we can easily see the date of publication. However, if for some reason you are sure that you posted a story but there is nothing here, then you have the option to automatically save stories to the archive disabled. To activate that option, hit right here at that gear and then make sure it is enabled. In this case, all your future stories will be archived after they are gone, and only you can see your story archive, by the way. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.